Hello everybody and welcome to this channel. I'm Alvise and this time I want to show you something I talked about in a previous video, how to give your AI agents eyes. Novamira is the free open source WordPress plugin that gives AI agents full access to your WordPress site through MCP. And with the browser MCP, you can streamline and speed up your workflow. Once it's wired up, the agent doesn't just write, it opens a browser, looks at the result, notices what's off, and fixes it on its own. In this way, you won't need anymore to send screenshots back and forth. No, can you tell me what you see? It just handles it. So, let's start. There are two separate pieces to set up. They work differently and in different scenarios you'll want one or the other. The first is Claude in Chrome, a real Chrome extension that you install from the Chrome Web Store, or if you prefer you can simply go to the connector page in Claude, enable Claude in Chrome, click Install, and finally enable the extension in Chrome. This extension works inside your existing browser session. The agent sees the tabs you have open, your authenticated sessions, and your real browsing context. It's the right tool when you want the agent to work with the browser you're already using. The second option is actually two options, but the setup is basically the same way. I'm talking about Chrome DevTools MCP and Playwright. Both are MCP servers and PM packages you declare in your configuration file under MCP servers. Neither is a browser extension and both open their own separate Chrome session rather than connecting to your existing one. To add them to your MCP servers block in Claude, you just need to paste their snippet in the config.json file that you can find at this path, or simply click Settings, Developer, and Edit Config. Then you open the JSON file with the text editor, you add the snippet, save the file, and finally restart Claude. For Codex, the setup is more or less the same. In this case, the config syntax is different and the format is TOML instead of JSON. You can find the file at this path, and after opening it, you add the snippet at the bottom, save the file, and finally restart Codex. The browser tools will appear in the available tool list. And now that we finished the setup, let me show you what this unlocks in practice. So here's my page, and as you can see there are several issues, like missing text and images, wrong proportions of some cards. So without a browser MCP, I would normally take screenshots and then upload them to the conversation with the AI. But now instead I'll simply ask Claude to take screenshots of the page, and then thanks to Novamira it will fix the errors. In this way, the AI looks at the page, fixes the issues, takes another screenshot, and if everything's fine, it confirms it looks right. Otherwise, it will repeat the process until it's done. Before browser MCP, the agent would write the change and then tell you to check it. Now, instead, it checks itself. And in cases where the agent needs to inspect a page inside would-be-admin, normally that would mean either sharing your password or manually opening the browser yourself. With browser MCP, none of that is needed. The agent calls Novamira's Create Admin Access Link ability that generates temporary access as admin. So here what's with setup. The Claude in Chrome extension for working inside your existing browser session, so in the same logged in state. Chrome DevTools MCP and Playwright instead for isolated sessions, all connected to Claude Code and Codex. Combined with Novamira, your agents can now write to your WordPress site and see what they built. That turns one-shot edits into real feedback loops. The agent makes a change, checks it visually, and iterates on its own. Just remember that this is for development and staging environments only. An agent with full WordPress access and browser control is powerful, so use it where mistakes are recoverable. And that's all for today. If you're new to Novamira, you can find the link in the description for the documentation and the download of the base plugin that is free and open source. If you found this useful, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.